50 minus 30.
20.
Yay! Unlock early learning adventure with this preschool math set, designed to make math fun and engaging. This interactive set helps young learners grasp essential math concepts while playing. This set is more than just a toy. It's a hands-on learning experience by sorting, stacking, and counting, all while having fun. It's also a great way to bond with your little one. Teaching math through play fosters a love for learning and creates quality time that both of you will cherish. Parents can feel confident knowing that these high quality materials plus the sturdy design ensures long lasting use, perfect for repeated learning sessions. Looking for the perfect gift? This preschool math set makes a wonderful present or even a classroom use. Teachers and homeschoolers love it too. Help your child build a strong math foundation while having fun. Get your preschool math set today and turn learning into a joyful adventure.
70, 80, 90, 100.